So there's a different seagull, and this one's got rings on its feet. Look at that. This one's got a ring. It's got a thing on its feet. So who are you? You're not Pegleg, you're a different one. I can tell your eye's different as well. You're getting pretty brave, aren't you? Coming so close. You must have been watching your friend. He's disappeared now. Yeah. For some reason the other one got copyrighted, so I don't know, I'll have to take the sound out of that one. Yeah, you're different. Your feet are different as well, I can tell from your feet. You're a young one, aren't you?